deliver the best selfie smartphone in the market, the Vivo V15 Blossom Pink actually has the 32 megapixel elevating selfie camera. Now, I know most of you will question, what's up with this design? So, this is for Vivo to actually attain the ultra full view display of our phone. We're also proud to say that our 32 megapixel elevating selfie camera is the first in the industry and is the fastest with only 0.37 seconds elevating time. We also have the AI triple rear camera, which enables our product to support the super ultra wide camera shot. And then we have the fingerprint scanning at the back for the Vivo V15 Blossom Pink. It is actually another support for Vivo to get the ultra full view display of the phone. And again, it is the fastest in the industry with just 0.35 milliseconds unlocking time. Lastly, we have our 6GB internal RAM and 128 internal storage memory. So that's enough memory and storage for all our selfies and OOTDs.